many clothes. I'm annoyed at this point.
Welcome to Mayc. She be going hard hitting, cleaning videos, and she speaking autism. We all know that it ain't what you see, but I know one thing, you should take it from me. It's in the M-A-Y-C, 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 M-A-Y.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mayc. Hey guys, hey, what's up? How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I will be just straightening up my closet. I got a ton of clothes over there that I need to sort out. I'm gonna dust, vacuum, wipe off my vanity, and put that soda away. That is actually a Christmas soda. It's a winter cranberry Sprite. It's so good. So I need to take that downstairs. I'm not even sure how it got up here. And just tidy up. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Checking in. I hope you all are enjoying the music. You guys, I have so many clothes. I'm annoyed at this point. Like, I'm annoyed at this point that I got so many clothes. I mean, I don't know. All right, let's get back to work.
The night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
Okay everyone, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you like what you see, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.